Hello, my name is music teacher Kate. In this video, we will be talking more about triads. We will be talking about triads that are diatonic to the major scale. Here we will use the C major scale as our starting point for an example of how these triads work. If I want to build a triad on every single pitch of this major scale, I do this. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. The C major scale has no sharps and no flats, and so there are no sharps and no flats involved in playing the triads that are diatonic to that C major scale.
1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5.
So it's lesson 16. By now you must know I've got a formula for you. It starts with harmonic analysis. Let's figure out exactly what kind of triads we wind up playing when we build triads on a major scale, keeping them diatonic to that major scale.
When I build my first triad on a major scale, I find that there are 1, 2, 3 half steps between my root and my third, creating the major third. Between my third and my fifth, I count 1, 2 half steps. So this is a major triad. When I build my second triad on the major scale, I find that this triad has 1, 2 half steps between the root and the third, creating the minor third. And then I have 1, 2, 3 half steps between my third and my fifth. So this is a minor triad. 3 minor. 4 major. 5 major. 6 minor. 7 diminished. Back to the 1 major.
Exploring the diatonic triads of our C major scale, we came across C major, D minor, E minor, F major, G major, A minor, B diminished, and C major. This is rather specific. This is very insightful. Music parallels itself all over the place, so you can start from any do and these formulas still apply. It's like magic! Just a quickie on Roman numerals for those of us who have not been exposed to them before. 1, 2, 3. Makes sense. 5. 5 minus 1, that's 4. 5 plus 1, that's 6. 5 plus 2, that's 7. That's all we need for music theory. When we analyze these triads diatonic to the major scale, we find 1 major, 2 minor, 3 minor, 4 major, 5 major, 6 minor, 7 diminished, and 1 major. Every time on the major scale. Hey, so music teacher Kate does not want to get sued for copyright. So today we'll be analyzing the chords for one of my own original songs called Yes. It's actually released here on YouTube via a music video under the artist name Katelyn Berreth. That is also my birth certificate name. So check it out and let's look at these chords. 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 6.
4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 6.
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, the major scale. Specifically C major scale. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. The triads diatonic to a major scale fall into the formula of 1 major, 2 minor, 3 minor, 4 major, 5 major, 6 minor, 7 diminished, 1 major. So, based on our C major scale, those chords would be C major, D minor, E minor, F major, G major, A minor, B diminished, C major. If we switch it to the key of G, the G major scale, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G means that these chords will be G major, A minor, B minor, C major, D major, E minor, F sharp diminished, G major. It just works like that every time. We have C as do, or 1. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. So, the 4 chord is F major. The 3 chord is E minor. The 2 chord is D minor. The 1 chord is C major. The 2 chord is D minor. The 1 chord is C major. The 6 chord is A minor. That's our progression for yes in the key of C. But we already knew that because that's the original key. But if we want to change the key, say we want to change it to the key of G. Well, in the key of G, G is do. G is 1. G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. So, if we wanted to play yes in the key of G, our 4 chord and our progression would start on C major, because C is the 4th degree of our G major scale. C major, then to the 3 chord B minor, then to the 2 chord A minor, then to the 1 chord G major, of course, then to the 2 chord again A minor, back to the 1 chord G major, and then to the 6 chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yep, E minor.
4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 6.
I really recommend with all of this scale and chord theory that you go and prove it to yourself over and over again in music practice.